Hey, hello everyone, how you all doing? I hope everything's going fine at your end. In today's video, we are going to talk about the RC release date of iOS 14.5 and we are going to do a follow-up of using iOS 14.5 beta 8 for a while on my iPhones, particularly my iPhone 12, because I recently thought that I should switch my main device to this firmware too and test it out, because especially the feature where we can use our Apple Watch to unlock our devices. That's a really great feature on iOS 14.5 betas at the moment, and I wanted to test that feature out in my day-to-day life. And is it really useful, or is it just like a gimmick feature? I tested it out on my iPhone 12 using my Apple Watch, and it is not a gimmick at all. It is a pretty great feature, not gonna lie. And obviously I know this is not a particularly beta 8 feature of iOS 14.5. It was released in, I think, the beta 5 of iOS 14.5, and this feature works well on this beta too. Talking about the WatchOS beta 7, so apparently Apple didn't really release the WatchOS beta 7 of 7. It is the 7.4 WatchOS beta 7. Apple didn't really release the beta 8 of Apple Watch, and I don't really know why they didn't release the beta 8. Obviously there are not a lot of things to fix in WatchOS, particularly because there are not a lot of major new bugs in this particular beta 7. But the screen on time on this beta was not the best I've ever got. I mean, the beta 6 of the WatchOS 7.4 was performing much better in terms of battery life. So if I'll go here, here we have 7.4 beta 7 on this watch. And I mean, come on, Apple, we want the beta 8. You need to fix the battery problem. I know I have heard a lot of people talking about it, and it is not different with me. The beta 6 was performing a bit better in terms of battery life. Beta 6 was performing a little bit better than beta 7 in terms of battery performance. So there is that. Now about the RC release of iOS 14.5, when we are going to see the RC release of this firmware and the HomePod release. HomePod OS, we haven't been seeing any new iOS 14.4.1, 14.4.2 updates for the HomePods. Last update that we got on the HomePod was the HomePod OS 14.4 along with the iOS 14.4. That was the same day when Apple released the 14.4. They also released the HomePod one, the 14.4 of HomePod OS. You can check that video out here in the iCard. Yep, I think it is here in the iCard. So you can check that video out if you're interested into that. Now talking about the release date, when do I think Apple is going to release the new iOS 14.5 version to public and the RC? So I think today is 17th, the day I'm recording this video, and I think Apple is going to release this firmware on 21st of April for public, and 20th we are going to see an Apple event. So we are going to see an RC on 20th, hopefully, because Apple is going to talk about the iOS 14.5 on the stage, or maybe both of the public release and the RC at the same day. We don't know that right now, but this is all just speculations, and many other people also said that we are going to see the RC and the public release on 20th and 21st. These two other dates that are the final dates. We are going to see the iOS 14.5, and it is for sure that we are going to see the 14.5 RC next week for sure. Finally, it's been a long while we have seen iOS 14.5. Come on. So let me know down in comments below, what are your thoughts on iOS 14.5? How is it performing on your devices? And if you want this sticker, let me know down in comments below. After Apple release the iOS 14.5 to public, I may give this sticker to one of you guys who is following me on Twitter. I mean, come on fam, obviously this is not much, but yeah, that's all. You ain't paying me thousands of dollars. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. If you do find this video helpful and entertaining, consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel, because I do these type of videos almost daily and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.